Riya Chakrabarti, who has been named in the FIR filed by the CBI and is being interrogated by the Enforcement Directorate, has filed another plea in the Supreme Court, objecting to the trial being conducted by the media in the Sushant Singh Rajput's case. While initially the Mumbai police was investigating in the angle of professional rivalry and manipulation by filmmakers that drove Sushant to take this extreme step, with his father now filing an FIR in Patna against Riya Chakrabarti for misappropriating his funds and manipulation of his fragile mind, there seems to be a witch hunt now against Riya Chakrabarti, and she is being accused of everything from misusing his funds to manipulating his fragile mind to even witchcraft and black magic. And Riya seems to have become the main villain in this entire story. Here's the story. Actor Swara Bhaskar has reacted to the news of Riya's plea and expressed her concern about how the case is being reported in the media. Riya, जो कई fronts पे अपने आप को defend करने की कोशिश कर रही है, has filed another plea in the Supreme Court and raised an objection against the unfair media trial in Sushant Singh Rajput's case. इस खबर पर रिएक्ट करते हुए स्वरा भास्कर, who was also labelled a needy outsider and a B-grade actor by Kangana Ranaut, has sounded a warning bell against media outlets carrying on their own trials of those involved and pronouncing judgments that could have a serious impact on a person's life. Swara ने अपने पोस्ट में लिखा, Riya is being subjected to a bizarre and dangerous media trial fueled by hugely problematic impulses of mob justice. I hope the Honorable Supreme Court will pay heed and take fake news spinners and conspiracy theorists like Republic, Poop India and others to task. Let the law decide. Riya and 5 other individuals have been accused of serious crimes like abating Sushant's demise, defrauding the actor of rupees 15 crores, distancing him from his family, and deliberately giving him wrong medicines to impair his mental health. While legal investigations are still on, one hopes that an overzealous media doesn't hamper the actual investigation of the case by creating doubts in the minds of the people about the truth.